Yeah. So you're wanted for murder and what else?
Endangering welfare. They're charged that's REAP.
Well, they,
Rape?
It's RE, they spelled it REAP.
ain't no damn rape. I ain't rape nobody.
Hi, good morning.
Justin Harris on the fugitive docket.
Justin Harris?
I know.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
It's funny, I just seen him yesterday. Justin Harris is on the fugitive docket. He waived at magistrate court and has vehemently changed his mind.
Should we? You're laughing. Do you want me to bring him out?
So Judge, if you want to bring him out and admonish him, Philadelphia, from what I hear, does want him. Is that right, Amy?
Yes, we're on their way here to get him today, but if he's withdrawn his waiver, of course they can. If he intends to withdraw his waiver today, they obviously can't pick him up today, so.
If they're gonna get him, they're gonna. Hey, Deputy, you mind bringing out Justin Harris, please?
And then while he's coming out, do you want me to reset the Dustin Eli hearing?
Have they done anything upstairs? It's on docket today?
No, they haven't. So I was going to talk to you about that. If he takes TDC up there, would you consider?
If he takes TDC, there's nothing I can do.
I agree. And that's, I mean, and I hate to say that because I don't know what they're doing, but if we could
Obviously, if he
reset it, I
takes-
think it's an option.
No. If
Okay.
it takes TDC time,
Okay. And I hate to say that because I don't know what'll happen in
There's
May,
no-
but I think it's could be worked out. Yes, Judge. Your other option was to put him into SATA.
No. My feeling is that he's probably gonna end probation, right?
No.
Really? Have they not offered probation upstairs?
They might, considering the nature of it. If they do, they're going to require SATA, right?
I mean,
Right. And that's the end goal is I don't think he wants that.
he's willing to go to TDC instead of going to treatment for real?
Yes, I know.
Well, I mean,
I've talked to him. I know, and I'm going to set up another meeting with him to go over things, but
get a horse to water.
there's only so much I can
I know.
admonish.
Yeah, so
They just-
that case is set for May 12th,
So
I guess.
if I can just get like a day or two out of that.
Absolutely. Good morning, Mr. Harris. So you're wanted out of another state. You already waived, and your lawyers tell me now that you would like me to set you a bond so that you can go out and go turn yourself in.
Oh, no bond. I just wanted him admonished on the extradition timeline.
Okay, so you've waived. What happens is we give the demanding jurisdiction, which is who?
Philadelphia County, Pennsylvania.
Okay, what's he wanted for?
Murder, endangering welfare, and.
Okay, yeah. So you're wanted for murder and what else?
Endangering welfare. They're charged that's REAP.
Well, they,
Rape?
It's they spelled it REAP.
ain't no damn rape. I ain't rape nobody.
I don't know exactly what that one is, but for sure.
So understand that we just get the teletype that tells us what it is. I have no idea. Here, we don't fight the case. We only try to establish identity. If you are the person that is wanted from the other jurisdiction, I don't know. The good news is though, is that you've waived and they're coming to get you today. So we could really get you on the way back to Philadelphia
No,
today.
I said I'd rather put the 30 days in. Didn't I tell you that?
You did, but I'm just admonishing you. It's not just 30 days.
So
30
what
days.
happens now is,
Yeah, 30
I just want to make sure
months.
you understand that.
so what happens now is if you refuse, which is your right, they'll get a governor's warrant, but that'll take up to 90 days to get,
I'm
you
fine
know?
with that.
And then the pickup is 30 days after that. Just to make
Okay,
sure we're good
I'm
with
fine with
timelines.
that. I'm fine with that. Cause I'm
Right,
trying
so-
to get everything in order back to there. I'm not about to ride rush, be blind, go back to Philadelphia. And then I don't know what's going on inside of my county, like, or being held inside, like, it just.
You want it from other counties as well?
I have no knowledge of that at this time, Your Honor. I would have to run a criminal history check if that's what they wanted to possibly do.
So I guess you just want them to get a governor's warrant then, I'm assuming.
Yeah.
Okay, so if you just want to go ahead and,
I'm gonna find them.
And the judge, the waiver withdrawal should be in your queue.
Yes, right. Okay, I'll sign it and then, all right. So I guess let's set it for 45 days. What do you think?
I had him set out for 30 days.
Okay, not a problem.
So it's gonna be May 23rd.
Okay, so the problem is you have to understand also is that when someone is charged with a crime that has a potential life sentence, I can't give you a bond even if I wanted to. Just that's the way the statute reads. So, okay. All right. Good luck to you, Mr. Harris.
Thank you.
Thanks, Judge.
Thanks.
Well, I was a meeting in your case, it's a reckless driving case,
Okay,
discussing it, she's been in trial, so,
have we done PC yet?
no, it's very new case. Okay,
Let me, like. Jason, what was the last name?
Alzabine, A-L-Z-B.
I got it. Okay.
Z-A.
You do Eddie, right? Okay. Mr. Albazin, come up. Good morning, sir. You speak English? Sir, you're charged with reckless driving. You're facing up to 30 days in jail and or a $500 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you. Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 10, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, a law enforcement officer observed a vehicle traveling at a high rate of speed, failed to signal a lane change, weaving in between cars, and following too closely behind other vehicles. The law enforcement officer matched the defendant's vehicle at approximately 100 miles per hour. A traffic stop was conducted, and the law enforcement officer made contact with the defendant, who stated he did not know he was going that fast.
Okay.
And if I could, Your Honor, just real quick, basically, we have had the opportunity to look at the videos. My client has a radar chip in his car. We've shown that in the state. His car wasn't going over 90 miles an hour, and he clearly using his indicators. And on the video, the officer says that he doesn't know how fast he was going. His car has no radar, but he thinks it's 90 to 100 miles an hour.
I mean, you're going through video. This is just a probable cause hearing. We could set it for something, but
There is no actual speed that he paced my client. So there is, just to let you know,
speeding in and out of traffic, falling too closely.
according to the officer, right?
So I'm going to find probable cause for
That's
now.
fine.
We can always set it for, because I have to give them the
No,
opportunity.
absolutely, Your Honor. Absolutely. I think
So,
the chief, once he's, done with this trial, he's already told me it's going to be either a class dismissal or straight up dismissal.
Sir Albazin, I'm going to find a probable cause to go forward with your case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to drive in this manner again. If I find that you drive at speeds of 90 to 100 miles an hour, do reckless driving, weaving, I'm speeding, any, I'm going to revoke your bond and put you in jail. Just, we have enough crashes on the road. Don't add to it. You know what I mean? No reckless driving, racing, street takeovers, donuts, nothing of this matter. Got a great lawyer. He's going to help you out. Just stay in touch with him. We'll give you guys time to work on the case. I'm going to have bond conditions created, so you promise us that you're not going to drive like this. If I find that you do, I will revoke your bond and put you in jail. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so we'll have you sign a reset, just have him take a seat, we'll get bond condition created, and then once you sign it, at that point, you can leave. Leave. Can you file that, guys, please?
Yes, Your Honor, rule the conditions.
So no racing, reckless driving, street takeovers, donuts.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Beadle. So I signed the jail release conditions. We'll do a PR bond now, so that way she's good to go. No, I don't think so. No, I think you're good to go. You just make sure that, don't send her down until she sends a PR bond, and then, yeah, she's here. We got it.
She's gonna get your on this lunch.
Yes. So, Ms. Roxanne, do you mind giving Miss Lynch a PR bond, please? Okay, and then as soon as it's processed, we'll have her sign it, and she's good to go.